In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up customer accounts in Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace account. Once you are signed in, you will arrive at your main dashboard. This is where you manage the core settings and features for your website, so it is the best place to begin when you want to adjust anything related to your store or customer experience. From the dashboard, look for the Settings option and click on it. The Settings area contains many of the important controls for your site, including business tools, website preferences, and selling features. If you are new to Squarespace, take your time here so you can become familiar with where everything is located. After that, go to Selling. This section is where Squarespace places features related to commerce, checkout, and customer management. Inside the Selling menu, click on Customer Accounts. This is the section that allows you to control whether visitors can create an account and sign in on your website. Once you are on the Customer Accounts page, find the Customer Accounts toggle switch. This switch controls whether the feature is active on your site. When it is turned off, visitors will not be able to register or log in. When it is turned on, Squarespace enables the customer account experience for your website. Now switch the toggle to on. As soon as you do that, you are allowing visitors to register for an account and log into your site. This can be useful if you want customers to manage their information more easily, view account-related details, or have a more personalized experience when interacting with your store. As a quick tip, after enabling customer accounts, it is a good idea to review the feature on your live site so you can see how the login and registration experience appears from a visitor's perspective. That way, you can confirm everything is working the way you expect and make sure the setup matches the experience you want to offer your customers. The process is very simple. You log into Squarespace, open Settings, go to Selling, select Customer Accounts, and turn the Customer Accounts toggle on. That covers everything you need to know.